Jedeksoi town in Gongor County in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region is known as the hometown of Bomdian, a kind of colorful striped apron made by the Tibetan ethnic group. Bomdian has a history of about 1,500 years. Its weaving techniques were listed in 2006 as one of China's state-level intangible cultural heritages. In Jedeksoi town, almost every household is involved in Bomdian weaving. Kari is a renowned inheritor of Bomdian weaving techniques. While protecting and inheriting the intangible cultural heritage, Kari also helps increase the incomes of local people.
교대 빈도대 도서관고에 최대 도서관고 림파자제다 로제 민보장으로디 지적에 된대라 지정선